All right, let's marinate these chicken thighs. There's 10 chicken thighs for dinner tonight. Okay, we're gonna start with some lemon juice. And one thing you should know, I do not measure. Definitely measure with my heart. So that's lemon juice. I'm gonna add some avocado oil. We're trying this basil paste because I'm right now out of basil. And see how this works. If I can open it. If y'all new here, it's India. It's Butterfly 112. Okay. Basil paste. Black pepper. Parsley flakes. Oregano. Onion powder. Ground mustard. Smoked paprika. Cayenne pepper. And some pink Himalayan salt. Okay, I'm gonna put some gloves on. Give this a good mix. Let's make a quick drink before we cook. I found this at Aldi's over the weekend. Cheers. Okay, so the air fryer is preheating at 375. Put our gloves on, give it one final toss of the chicken. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put all of this into the air fryer at one time, but we shall see. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. Now, into the air fryer for 375. Okay, chicken is going into the air fryer. Okay, the air fryer chicken thighs are out of the oven. I put it into a container so I can keep it warm while waiting for my husband to get home. And this is the final meal. Thanks for watching. Y'all, I forgot to cook some vegetables.